Ano-ano nga bang documents or requirements ang ipinasa ko to apply for a family reunification visa o spousal visa pa Spain? Nakuha ko nga pala yung list of requirements sa mismong website ng BLS. Para sa unang requirement, kailangan mo ng 2 copies of duly accomplished Schengen application form. You also need 1 recent passport size photo with white background to be pasted on the application form. Next requirement is a valid passport with validity of at least 6 months. Kailangan mo din magsama ng isang photocopy ng data page ng passport mo. Kailangan mo ding isama ang Spanish marriage certificate issued not more than 6 months at higit sa lahat ang Libro de Familia. You also need to provide your petitioner's original birth certificate. Kailangan din ng certified true copy of your petitioner's TNI o yung tinatawag na Documento Nacional de Identidad. Next requirement is a certified true copy of petitioner's Spanish passport. It's also important na makapag-provide ng notarized document confirming the petition o yung tinatawag nilang Acta de Manifestaciones e Compromiso. Bukod nga pala sa mga requirements na hinihingi nila, I also included some documents na sa tingin ko ay makakatulong as proof of ties. To those who are planning to get this type of visa, just a friendly reminder, before you book an appointment sa BLS, make sure that all your documents are complete para hindi masayang yung effort nyo at yung babayaran nyo na fee.